Hello sirs, mums, ladies and gentlemen, hope you're well and thank you for tagging along or watching this video. If you are tagging along, just give us a thumbs up, or even if you're new, just hit the bell button, the thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know what you think of our idea of this this present that we're going to show you. Idea of a present, that is. Again, so if you're struggling for presents coming up to Christmas for your loved one, or your partner, then this is certainly the place to be. And the present that we would like to suggest are the T3s, the Denali T3s. These fit any bike. They'll essentially would plug and play, so to speak, but they really come into play if you have a hex easy can or a CAN bus. Essentially what they allow you to do is have different types of light functions as and when you're doing things plugged into your bike's harness. They're not that big, a couple of centimeters maybe, an inch or two. These particular ones are actually amber and clear. I thought that said dull there, but it doesn't, it says dual. That's RTFM for you, or RTFL. Read the label. So yeah, these are actually amber and clear, so ideally these will go onto the front and then plug into essentially into the hex easy can or to the CAN smart. I'll come on to that in a minute. Or they do another variant where they're red and amber and they go on the back, and obviously the red means that it could be used as a brake light or as a daytime running light type function. I did mention I'll come back to this because essentially these do plug and play into the hex easy can with an additional system or additional wiring loom, but again these are kind of like used that you could essentially wire tap. This is a tap-in tool or tap-in plug, wire these into your harness. You obviously won't have the functionality that this thing gives you, depending on what you want, what variation you go for these, the clear amber and maybe some other brackets that could entice you. The prices range from about £130 for the clear, and then about 180 odd I think for the rear set, which come with a number plate bracket. But all the details on the website, go and check it out. If you're not sure what you want, what you need, kind of thing, give us a buzz, message us, whatever. Here to help. That's it from me. Don't forget, thumbs up below. Hope you have a good Christmas.